I'm Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to Coordination Learning Outcome D and Learning Activity A. We are going mainly to look at innate and learned behavior and then the significance of each type of behavior. The significance of innate behavior. Item 1. A group of students observe a newly hatched duckling automatically following its mother on a pond. Identify the type of behavior. This is innate behavior. Specifically, it is imprinting, which occurs immediately after hatching without prior learning. Explain the significance of this behavior for survival. Ducklings stay close to the mother for protection from predators. They learn safe feeding areas, ensure survival during early vulnerable life stage. Item 2. Some birds migrate long distances every year, even without previous experience. Identify the behavior. Innate behavior, guided by genetic programming and environmental cues. They use sun, stars, and magnetic fields instinctively. Explain its significance. Migration ensures access to food and breeding grounds, increases reproductive success, and survival of species. Item 3. Male birds perform dances and show bright plumage to attract females. Identify the type of behavior. Innate behavior, as these displays occur without prior learning. Explain the significance. Ensure successful mating and reproduction. Displays signal fitness to potential mates, which increases reproductive success. The significance of learned behavior. Item 1. In a lab, a rat is placed in a puzzle box. After several attempts, it learns that pressing a lever opens the box and releases food. Identify the type of behavior. This is learned behavior, specifically operant conditioning. A rat changes its behavior due to reward, which is food. Explain the significance of the learned behavior for survival. Allows the rat to adapt to new environments. Improves ability to find food efficiently. Enhances chances of survival in changing conditions. Item 2. A child babbles and gradually learns to speak their native language through interaction with parents. Identify the type of behavior. Learned behavior acquired through social learning and practice. Explain the significance. Enable effective communication and social bonding. Helps in teaching survival skills and cultural knowledge. Enhance chances of successful cooperation and survival in human society. Item 3. A dog is trained by its owner to sit whenever the word sit is spoken. Identify the type of behavior. It is a learned behavior through conditioning. Explain the significance. Helps coexistence with humans, ensures the dog avoids danger and obtains rewards, shows flexibility and adaptability which can be advantageous for survival. Innate behavior versus learned behavior. Let's look at the summary of innate versus learned behavior. Innate behavior present at birth, genetically programmed. Examples: imprinting in ducklings, bird migration, courtship rituals. Significance: ensure survival, feeding, protection, and reproduction without prior experience. Learned behavior. Behavior acquired through experience or practice. Examples: language learning, operant conditioning in animals, trained tricks. Significance: enables adaptation, problem solving, improved survival, and social cooperation. Survival challenge activity. Item 1. Students are asked to survive in a simulated environment. Food sources are hidden and change location daily. Students can rely on instinct, innate rules, or trial and error learning. Discuss which behavior will help students survive and reproduce. Innate behavior: basic instincts like searching for food, avoiding hazards. Learned behavior: adapting to new locations of food, developing strategies, cooperation. Both behaviors are essential for survival, but learning allows flexibility in changing conditions. extra information. Extra information coming soon, and tasks will be there in a minute. Assessment of project-based learning. Project-based learning assessment. Project-based learning is a teaching method in which participants gain knowledge and skills by engaging for an extended period of time to investigate and respond to an authentic challenge. The task must have a driving question, and it involves sustained inquiry. Project-based learning is assessed using a rubric and an observation checklist. Thank you for participating in coordination learning outcomes. We've been looking at the adaptive significance of animal behavior in promoting survival and reproductive access. Learning outcomes, we looked at the analysis of innate and learned behavior and the significance of learned and innate behavior, focusing on survival and reproduction. Thank you. If it has been successful and useful, visit me at Mugabi Joshua Biology on YouTube.